All right, we got the initial setup done, and now it's time for our systems. And the systems are big because this is the creature comforts of home. This is your water, this is your electric, and this is your sewer, my personal favorite. Here we go. Right here is where it all begins. We open this up, we look in here, water, my personal favorite, sewer, and then our electric, you know, we can hook up in a number of different ways. But one of the things that I wanted to tell you is that this is one of your best friends, okay? This is gonna help you reach the fall, meaning when you want your sewer to leave your RV, you don't want this line laying on the ground. It gets stuck in there and that's not a good sight. So get you one of these, it'll help you out a lot. Make sure you have enough of these sections because you may get to a site where you have a little distance between your rig and where your sewer hookup is. Make sure you get that. And then get yourself one of these. These are really nice. These help hold your sewer line in because if this thing breaks loose and comes out, you're gonna have a lot of angry neighbors. A lot of work to get done. Let's get to the system side. All right, you got your sewer and you got your water hookup. Now it's time for the electric. So open up this box, take a look inside, make sure your breakers are on, and get yourself one of these. This is a great tip. If you have one of these, you'll save yourself a lot of headaches. This is gonna save you on surges and everything else. Plug that in, then go for your RV hookup, and now you got power. Systems all go.